Okay, so good morning, everybody. Today we are going to set, I make two topics. We will see if we finish the topics. One is a reading, okay? And the other one is verbs conjugations, okay? So I think that we are going to start with the conjugation of the verbs. Okay, can you see?
Sí.
Yeah.
Okay, good. For today, I choose verb tener, dar y recibir, okay? Tener, dar, recibir. First, we are going to see how it's going to be these conjugations, okay? First, we have verb tener or have, verb to have, okay? Yo tengo, it's a regular verb, so it's not going to be that easy, okay? Yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella o usted tiene, nosotros o nosotras tenemos, vosotros, vosotras tenéis, ellos, ustedes, ellas tienen, okay? For making sentences, just simple sentences to make a bit of exercises, I put a plus. It can be un, is for masculine, singular, una, for feminine, singular, unos, for masculine, plural, and unas, for feminine, plural. I think we already use un, una, unos, una. But anyway, we make a review, okay? And I set some words here, okay? For example, él tiene una casa, okay? So you can make like small, short, and easy sentences. Yes? So who wants to start to try to make a sentence? You only have to add depends. Jasmine, will you do the first one?
Sure.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Tienes una casa muy grande.
Good. Tienes una casa muy grande. As you notice, she omits the pronoun tú. Okay? You can put in the sentences. Tú tienes una casa muy grande. But if you take off tú and you said tienes, you can understand it too, and it is good also, okay? Tienes una casa muy grande. Who has the big house? She. In this case, but well, it's you, okay? Yes? It can be, in both cases, are good, the sentence, okay? Suparna?
Yeah. Ella tiene muñeca muy beautiful.
Muy bonita.
Muy bonita.
Okay, only
Ella
choose one of these.
Ella tiene una muñeca muy bonita.
Yes, okay, very good, Suparna. Ella tiene una muñeca muy bonita. Okay, she has a beautiful doll. Okay, very good. Aradia?
Sí. Él tiene una coche.
Él tiene un coche, okay? Coche is masculine, okay? Remember that usually it's not a rule. Verbs that end with A are feminine and with O or E are masculine, okay? Almost all the time. Good? Andrea, please.
Ellos tienen un perro blanco.
Good. Ellos tienen un perro blanco. Very good. Okay, thank you, Andrea. Ria?
Yeah. Nosotros tenemos unos chocolates.
Good. Very good, Ria. Nosotros tenemos unos chocolates. Very good, Ria. Okay? Good. Salami?
Nosotros tenemos unas clases.
Ajá, nosotros tenemos una clase. Very good, Salami, okay? Cruz?
Ellas tienen unas pelotas.
Ellas tienen unas pelotas. Very good, Ruth. Hasta the next verb is the verb dar, okay? Or give, to give, okay? And is to a regular verb. So, yo doy, tú das, él, ella, usted da, nosotros o nosotras damos, vosotros o vosotras dais, ellos, ellas, ustedes dan, okay? And on English is always give, I think, yes? Okay, plus I put some words here, but of course you can use whatever word that you want, okay? It will say, for example, ella da dinero a los pobres, for example, okay? O nosotros damos pintura a mi amiga, or something like that, okay? More or less. Yeah, we have some words here to try to make some exercises, some simple sentences. But anyway, we are going to have exercises at the end of this. Okay, I only what you need to is to learn how to conjugate the verb. Okay. Okay, Ria, can you read the conjugations, please?
Ya. Yo doy, tú das, él, ella, usted da, nosotros, nosotras damos, vosotras, vosotros dais, ellos, ellas,
Ustedes.
dan.
Okay, thank you, Ria. Good. Ross, can you try to make a sentence, please?
Ellas dan mucho dinero.
Good. Ellas dan mucho dinero. Very good, Ross. Andrea, can you make a sentence, please?
Sure. Ella da mucho dinero para mí.
Okay, it's good to be more or less the same, Ross. Yes. Ella da mucho dinero para mí. Okay. Chris, hi, welcome. Can you try to make a sentence with the verb da? Okay, maybe he is connecting. Suparna, can you try to make a
Sorry.
sentence?
Sorry, I was
Sorry,
I was
no,
muted.
good.
El da la pluma.
Yes, el da la pluma. Very good, Chris. Thank you. Suparna,
ella da ella da comida a mí.
ajá, ella me da comida. Conjugation today is the verb recibir, okay? The verb recibir or receive. Yeah? Okay, for the verb recibir es yo recibo, tú recibes, él, ella, usted recibe, nosotros, nosotras recibimos, vosotros, vosotras recibís, ellos, ellas, ustedes reciben. Okay? Plus, if you put una, unos, unas, and I put some words here, I can say, nosotros recibimos ropa. Okay? You don't have to add always this, but nosotros recibimos ropa. Okay? Or yo recibo comida. Okay? You can try to make some sentences. I add verbs because I know that we have not much vocabulary, but I know that you know how to put vegetables, animals, fruit, things like that. Okay. So, Jasmine, can you try to make a sentence, please?
Yeah, sure. Yo recibo un perro para mi madre.
Yes, yo recibo un perro para mi madre. Very good, Jasmine. Okay, good. Yes, Chris? You
Oh,
want
did
to
you-
make a sentence?
You say Chris? Did you say Chris?
Yeah, well, that's because you were talking. I thought that you wanted to try a sentence.
Oh. Tú recibes un libro?
Yes, recibes un libro. Very good, Chris. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Saloni, can you try to make a sentence?
Yes. Tú recibes caridad.
Yes, tú recibes caridad. Very good, Saloni. Okay. Gia, can you try to make a sentence?
Yo recibo una comida.
Yo recibo una comida. Yes, it's
Una
good, Gia.
comida.
Yo recibo una comida. Good. Okay. Who is not? Ajad, can you try to make a sentence?
Yes. Ellas reciben una perro.
Ella recibe un perro. Okay. O una perra. Yes, remember, unas need to match with the gender and the number. Okay? As that, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Nosotros recibimos unos perros.
Nosotros recibimos unos perros. Okay, yes, good. But it's the same. Just remember that when you are going to use el, la, los, las, or un, una, unos, unas, you need to match the number with the gender, okay? Un perro, una perra, unos perros, unas perras, okay? Yes? Okay.